Imagine this. You go to the market to buy apples. The shopkeeper tells you 3 apples cost rupees 24. How much would 7 apples cost? If you've ever faced such questions and scratched your head, today you're going to master one of the most simplest yet powerful techniques in maths, the unitary method. By the end of this video, you'll be able to solve any such problem in just 2 steps. And yes, you might even start enjoying math more. Let's begin. The word unitary comes from unit, meaning one. So the unitary method is all about finding the value of one quantity first and then scaling it up or down to find the value of many. It's like solving a mystery. First, find the value of one item and then multiply or divide to get the answer you want. Here's the simple 2-step rule. Let's try an example. Easy, right? Just remember, find one, then find the rest. Here's the golden trick. Whenever you're finding the value of one, you divide. Whenever you're finding the value of many, you multiply. You can use the unitary method more than you think. It's everywhere in shops, travel plans, and even in your kitchen. Let's try a few together. Pause the video and solve each one before I show you the answer. Be careful with these, mixing up when to multiply and when to divide. Skipping the find one step and making calculation errors. Getting units like rupees, kg, kilometers, or hours in your final answer. Here's your challenge. Post your answers in the comments. I'll check them. So that's the unitary method. Simple, powerful, and super useful in everyday life. If you found this lesson helpful, hit the like button and share it with your friends and subscribe for more fun math videos. And remember, math is not about numbers. It's about solving problems in smart ways. See you in the next class.